This video demonstrates how to set up auto-charge products in RenalGenie. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. There are now 5 additional product categories available for auto-charge. These include consumables, dialyzers, transport, medications, and others. First, go to Branch Management, select the branch you wish to set up, and click on the product. Next, select or add the new product that you would like to auto-charge after HD treatment. In this example, I will add a new auto-charge product. Fill in the necessary details. In the auto-charge column, you can choose whether the auto-charge applies to a specific patient access, or to all patients. Selecting all patients means the charge will be applied regardless of access. Once done, click Save. Now, go to the Services page to complete a patient's treatment using the dialyzer you set for auto-charge. After completing the HD treatment, open the order and you will see that the dialyzer has been auto-charged. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest features and enhancements in RenalGenie.